I'm planing some odd shaped parts today. In this case, it's the legs for my shave horse. And it occurred to me that this is a really good time to point out another reason why you would want metal teeth on your planing stop. For years I used just a wooden stop, and when I finally got around to putting the teeth on, man, it's so much better. For a part like this, if I need to plane along the length of the board, it's pretty easy to push this corner against just the wooden stop. But when I get around to this side, I need to have some support down the middle. If I just put this edge, when I get on this part here, it's going to want to pivot. But with the teeth in the planing stop, I can actually dig a tooth in right in the middle, and the part doesn't slide off the side of the stop, and I can push right down the center. I can plane this entire part without having to reposition it. And I don't have to put any material here. So if I had just the wooden stop, I would probably clamp a board in here for this to push against, and I would wedge it in there. But that's a solution I don't have to worry about anymore.